Hey guys, it's Kerima and welcome back to another cleaning motivational video. This is going to be my living room and we're going to do some laundry. To be honest, this is actually not that bad. My living room is a mess on a daily basis because I do not have a designated playroom for my kids. So if they're not playing in their bedroom, they are playing in the living room. So the living room is a mess all the time. It's our catch-all area in our house. So here is what it looks like before. I'm trying to show you guys the fingerprints on the TV because my son likes to climb up on that table underneath the TV and touch his favorite characters. I'm also trying to show you all the dust that is collected on these pictures, but it's not really picking up on the camera. Shame on me. I don't think I've ever dusted these pictures since I put them up. We got laundry to do. Lots to do today in this video, so stay tuned. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe if you like these kind of videos, and comment and share. I'll see you guys soon. So I have to be honest, guys, this couch has been severely neglected because I knew when we bought this house that we would eventually buy a new one that would fit the space better. So I haven't been cleaning the cushions at all and they look terrible. I was even embarrassed to show you a close-up of them. I said I'm just gonna wash them today. I hate washing these cushion covers because they're so hard to get off and on. I usually rip them every time I pull them off, and every time I put them back on I get a new rip. So I cannot wait till my new couch comes.
Would you leave all bad things behind? I promise I won't mess things up like I did last time I saw you. I did a lot of things that I regret. Now I'm not playing hard to get. I decided it's been too long, baby. Reaching out to touch your heart. Hope for a maybe. I get a one-way ticket down the memory lane. There are two hearts beating, just nothing will ever be the same. We had a chance, babe, to work it all out, but we blew it on our foolish pride. And now I wanna scream and shout, I love that I love you.
You guys, I'm so excited because we just got our new washer and dryer as well. In this video you can see my washing machine has that like spinning, that spoke that comes up the middle, and I cannot wash comforters in it. First of all, it's a smaller washer, and second, with that stick coming up the middle, I cannot fit a king size comforter in there. So we've been taking our comforters to the laundromat and that just sucks. So we finally ordered new ones and got our new washer and dryer. You'll see that in another video.
Songs in solitude, too
You guys, I also wanted to share where I got this trampoline, just in case you haven't seen my Aldi's shopping haul. But I got this trampoline from Aldi's. I think it was $35 or $35.99, and I've been shopping for a trampoline forever for my kids. But I think the tiny kid Little Tykes one is like $65, and it only goes up to 30 pounds. My son is like 35 pounds already. I had to give a little shout out to my son for helping mommy clean up the living room. If you notice, he's over there putting his coins back in his piggy bank, even though he was the one who poured them out in the first place. But at least he's helping me clean up.
We are the lucky ones. We are the soul providers. We show you how it's done. We got this fire started, hotter than the sun. We are the love survivors. We are the lucky ones. And if I stumble, and if I stumble, and if I stumble, you will turn me back around. Ooh, we are the love survivors. We are the lucky ones. We are the soul providers. We show you how it's done. We got this fire started, hotter than the sun. We are the love survivors. We are the lucky ones. Listen up, baby. And if I stumble, I got a feeling. If I stumble, listen up, baby. And if I stumble, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Listen up, baby. And if I stumble, I got a feeling. If I stumble, listen up, baby. And if I stumble, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be We're standing alone on Broadway and 3rd, minding my own little life, looking for some kind of life. And that's when you caught me. A hat and a smile I couldn't hide. Said, why are you looking so sad? Tell me it can't be that bad. There's still tomorrow. It's all we need. Where would I go? Well, I would be completely lost. With you, I'm so much better off. Where would I be? There's no one else I wanna see.
You guys, I have to thank everyone on Instagram who convinced me to get this vacuum. This vacuum has changed my life. Vacuuming has been one of my most hated chores, but this vacuum makes it so much easier because it's lightweight. You can go from carpet to hardwood floors, and it's cordless. I'll be honest, our whole upstairs is all carpet, and I barely vacuumed up there because I couldn't stand dragging my heavy vacuum up and down the stairs. But now I love to vacuum with this Dyson. Thank you guys on Instagram for recommending it. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please do. I'm on Instagram at Guilt-Free Mama as well.
I'm waiting for the sign. Waiting for a sign. Just waiting for a sign. Hoping for another dawn. Now I'm looking everywhere for you, 'cause I need another dance. We need another chance. I'm waiting for
So here are the finished results. This is pretty much as good as it's gonna get for right now. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we did order a new sofa set, and we do plan on refinishing our coffee table and that little end table that's under the TV. We have some furniture DIYs that we're going to do with that. So stay tuned for future videos and stay tuned for our living room transformation. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. I am a new YouTuber and I'm loving it. If you enjoy videos like this, please stay tuned for more. Please subscribe, please comment. I would love to meet some of you guys and talk to you in the comments. I would love to become YouTube friends, and please follow me on Instagram at Guilt-Free Mama. Thank you guys so much for watching.